Imagine waking up and seeing affiliate commissions while your Pinterest pins keep working for you 24 hours a day. In part 1, we talked about the basics, but in this video, I'm showing you the real strategy that can actually grow your clicks, traffic, and affiliate sales using Claude AI. And the best part, you don't need a website, you don't need followers, and you definitely don't need to spend money on ads. All you need is Pinterest, Claude AI, and a smart strategy. So watch this video till the end, because I'll also show you how to create viral Pinterest content in minutes using AI. Section 1. Why most people fail. Most beginners fail with Pinterest affiliate marketing for one reason. They post random pins without understanding search traffic. Pinterest is not social media. Pinterest is a search engine. People come here searching for best AI tools, make money online, side hustle ideas, work from home jobs. That means if your pin matches what people are searching for, Pinterest can push your content for months. This is where Claude AI becomes powerful. Instead of spending hours thinking about ideas, Claude AI can instantly generate viral pin titles, descriptions, keywords, affiliate content ideas, and even full Pinterest strategies. Section 2. Finding viral niche ideas. Here's the exact method. Go to Pinterest and search AI tools, passive income, affiliate marketing, digital products. Now look at the top performing pins. You'll notice something. Most viral pins use emotional titles, curiosity, bold text, and simple designs. Now open Claude AI and type Generate 20 viral Pinterest affiliate marketing pin ideas for beginners in 2026. Within seconds, Claude AI gives you endless content ideas. For example, 5 AI websites that pay daily, best side hustles for students, free AI tools to make money online, Pinterest traffic strategy 2026. Now you never run out of content. Section 3. Create high CTR pin titles. This part is extremely important. Your title decides if people click or ignore your pin. Use Claude AI to generate click-worthy headlines like, "Nobody talks about this AI side hustle. This free website can make you money. I tried Pinterest affiliate marketing for 30 days. The goal is curiosity. You want people thinking, I need to click this. And remember, short titles usually perform better. Section 4. Create pins using Canva. Now let's design the pin. Go to canva.com and choose Pinterest pin size. Use bold text, bright colors, arrows, shocked expressions, big earnings text. Your thumbnail should instantly grab attention. A simple design can outperform complicated designs. And here's a pro tip. Create multiple versions of the same pin with different titles. Pinterest loves fresh content. Section 5. Add affiliate links correctly. Now let's monetize. Join affiliate programs like digistore24.com, clickbank.com, impact.com. Choose products related to AI tools, online business, finance, productivity. Then place your affiliate link inside, your Pinterest pin link, or a landing page. Important. Never spam links everywhere. Focus on helping people first. Section 6. The secret growth strategy. Here's the strategy most YouTubers won't tell you. Pinterest rewards consistency. Instead of posting one pin every week, post 3 to 5 fresh pins daily. Use Claude AI to speed everything up. Titles, descriptions, hashtags, content ideas. This lets you scale fast. And once one pin starts ranking, it can bring traffic for weeks or even months. That means passive affiliate commissions. So yes, Pinterest affiliate marketing with Claude AI is still one of the easiest ways to start making money online in 2026. No followers, no expensive setup, no advanced skills, just smart AI tools and consistency. If you enjoyed part 2, hit the like button and subscribe my YouTube channel, Global Income Hub, because in the next video, I'll show you how to automate Pinterest content using AI completely.